ever feel like your bad habits have you on a leash? You tell yourself, I'll stop tomorrow. But tomorrow turns into next week, and the next year. Here's the truth. Breaking bad habits is easier than you think once you understand how your brain works.
Every habit has a loop: trigger, action, reward. Maybe your trigger is stress, your action is scrolling social media, and your reward is a tiny dopamine hit. Or maybe your trigger is boredom, your action is snacking, and your reward is a tasty distraction from reality. First hack: to break it, don't fight the habit, swap the action. Keep the same trigger, but change what happens next. For example, feeling drained after work? Instead of collapsing on the couch with a bag of chips, put on your favorite upbeat song and dance around for 30 seconds. You'll still get that happy brain boost without the extra calories. Waiting for your coffee to brew? Instead of scrolling aimlessly on your phone, close your eyes and take 5 slow, deep breaths. It's like a mini mental reset. Stuck in a long line at the store? Instead of getting frustrated, pop in your earbuds and listen to a podcast or an audiobook you love. Same brain chemistry, better outcome. Second hack: make your habit too small to matter. The human brain hates sudden extreme change, but it barely notices tiny adjustments. If you binge watch 4 hours of Netflix nightly, cut it to 3 hours and 45 minutes. If you scroll TikTok for 2 hours, stop at 1 hour 50 minutes. If you spend $50 a week on takeout, bring it down to $45. These micro shrinks slip under your brain's radar. Over weeks, they stack into massive change without triggering the "I'm deprived" rebellion. Third hack: upgrade your rewards. Your brain isn't addicted to the habit itself. It's addicted to the feeling it gives. So, hack the reward. If you usually treat yourself to fast food after a long day, try treating yourself to a guilt-free bubble bath, a playlist you love, or a quick call with a friend who makes you laugh. If you normally online shop to feel good, put those items in a wish list and instead check your savings balance. Watch the number grow and feel that rush instead. When the replacement reward feels just as good or better, your brain will gladly switch sides. Fourth hack: make bad habits hard to do. If your triggers are within arm's reach, your willpower doesn't stand a chance. Want to stop eating chips? Don't keep them in the house. Force yourself to walk to the store if you really want them. Want to stop late-night gaming? Unplug the console, stash the controller in a drawer, and put your phone charger across the room. Want to drink less soda? Keep it on the top shelf, out of sight, and make water your default drink on the counter. The harder the habit is to start, the less often you'll do it, even without thinking about it. You don't need superhuman willpower to break bad habits. You just need small, smart tweaks that work with your brain instead of against it. Remember, breaking bad habits is easier than you think when you know the shortcuts. Subscribe to Linethinkers. New animations every week. Focus, self-improvement, productivity tips. Linethinkers.